Good evening. On one bright, sunny evening, while no one was around, Mr. Vegas reached home and heard some sounds. It was not the sound of a dog, it wasn't the sound of a clown. It was the sound of his bed being broken the fuck down.
Rock it up, rock it up, rock it up. Fuck it up, 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 fuck it up.
While to himself he thought, what the fuck? To the bedroom and up the stairs he snuck. And there he saw his girl getting some very hot fuck.
Hot fuck?
Yes.
Hot fuck?
Yes. Some very hot fuck.
Hot fuck!
Hot fuck.
Hot fuck!
Hot fuck. And she was crying. I.
Oh no!
What did he do? Did Mr. Vegas cry?
No!
Instead, he took to his Twitter with the raging bull in his eye.
Raging bull, raging bull, raging bull.
Nothing was being withheld within Mr. Vegas's mouth. With caps lock on, he started to shout on his Twitter page, airing the bitch out.
Oh no!
Nastiness. You give away the tuntuna like it was on a free-for-all shell. Give me my blood clot data.
Oh no!
And take away your blood clot self.
Put on every man take for yourself. Sing with the tongue take for yourself. I didn't know that take for yourself.
Mr. Vegas is angry. But he did not cry. Mr. Vegas, my brother, keep your head high. So cheating bitches, from here you are banished, because I am a man, and man a gallus. Before I leave, before I go, Mr. Vegas, you were warned. She was. What is she? And she is. What is she?
She's a hoe, she's a hoe. Goofy did warn you, but you never know. She's a hoe, she's a hoe. No one next man a star enough for your show. Oh no!
She's a damn hoe. Thank you. She do it again. She cheating. She lucky said Vegas never clock her. Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, Lydia. Yes.